Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to allow or block pop-ups in the Google Chrome mobile app on your Android smartphone. So whether it's a Samsung Galaxy or a Google Pixel smartphone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to have you covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the three-dotted icon in the top right corner of the browser, and then go down and select the Settings gear button. And then you want to scroll down underneath Advanced, and you want to select the Site Settings tile. And now go down underneath Content and select the Pop-ups and Redirects item in here. So if you want to allow pop-ups and redirects, click inside this oval to toggle it on, and it will say allowed. Conversely, if you want to disable it, just click inside that oval. It'll become grayed out, and then pop-ups and redirects will be blocked on your Android smartphone. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.